In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert or adjust the scale, also known as axis range and ticks, in a chart within Google Sheets on your desktop. This is really handy when you want your data visualizations to be clear and tailored to your needs. Let's dive in and see how we can master this process. First of all, you need to select the chart you want to modify. Simply click on it to highlight it. Once selected, look for the three dots menu, which usually appears at the top right corner of the chart. Click on it and select the option that says Edit Chart. Alternatively, you can double-click directly on the chart, which serves the same purpose and brings up the Chart Editor pane on the right side of your screen. The Chart Editor is where all the magic happens, allowing you to customize every aspect of your chart. Our focus today is on the axis settings. You'll see two main tabs here, Setup and Customize. Head over to the Customize tab. This is where we will make all the necessary adjustments to the axes. Let's start with the vertical axis, often known as the y-axis. Look for the section labeled Vertical Axis and go ahead and expand it. In this section, you have the ability to set the minimum and maximum values for this axis. This is crucial for cases where you want to limit the range displayed or highlight a specific data segment. Additionally, you'll find the Grid Lines and Ticks subsection, where you can adjust the number of ticks or even the step size. These settings determine how frequently the lines and values appear on your chart, allowing you to make your data clearer or more detailed depending on your preference. Now, if you wish to adjust the horizontal axis or x-axis, you'll still be working under the same Customize tab. This time, expand the horizontal axis section. Similar to the vertical axis, you can set minimum and maximum values, or if required, change other scale properties. This flexibility enables you to ensure your data is presented exactly the way you need it. In situations where your chart involves multiple series with different units or they require separate scaling, you have the option of assigning one of these series to a secondary y-axis, also known as the right axis. This can be particularly useful when comparing data sets that do not share the same scale or unit of measure, thereby providing a clear and precise view of how different data series relate to each other. And there you have it. With these steps, you can effectively manage and adjust your chart's axis ranges and ticks in Google Sheets. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in enhancing your data visualization skills. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.